guys, welcome back to the shop. Today I wanted to take just a minute to talk to you about my Accu-cut from Kregtool. Now it's a track saw, but you use a standard circular saw with it instead of a dedicated saw. Now I've had this one for about a year and it's really changed the way that I work in the shop because I don't have a table saw and it's made things so much easier for me. I do have some complaints about it, but it's mostly on the saw side of it. Now, every time I start up the saw, it jumps just a little bit and it rubs this edge just a little and it messes it up, just a tad. But I do have a new saw, and with that being said, I do want to get some of the new runners for it and replace it and get it set up for it. It's a lot smaller, it's a lot lighter, and it's going to be way easier to use. So at some point I am going to do that. Now there is some accessories I want to get for this. There is T-tracks on the bottom and they make dedicated clips that hook in and then you can fasten it down to whatever you're cutting. And I feel like that's going to make it a lot easier. It does have rubber on the bottom edge and that keeps it from sliding around unless there is a lot of sawdust on, and then it can still move around some. So this thing is so simple to use. All you do is, let's just say you need a 2-inch wide piece. Put a mark here. Put a mark here. You take the edge, you just put it right on your lines. Line your saw up on the track and cut. Just that easy. So as you guys can see, this thing is so simple to use. I love it. It's helped me out so much. Now, this thing sells for around $70 to $80 from most of the big box stores, but you can find it a little cheaper online sometimes. At some point, I do still want to try to make a track saw. Now, I've watched a lot of videos on YouTube, and I don't really like the way a lot of them are made. A lot of them seem to be very bulky, or they're just making straight edges that they're calling track saws. But I think that's what I'm going to work on next, is making a track saw for this saw once I get everything set up on the new saw. So stick around, like, subscribe, share, comment, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.